Hello my dear students. So in this video we are going to cover graphical method, which is from your chapter number 3, linear equation in two variable. So it's a very important question. So you can expect either a word problem in your board exam from the linear equation in two variable or solving the linear equation using graphical method. So graphical method is very important, especially for the basic students, those who have opted for basics. So as you can see that this question is from your sample paper given by CBSE, that we have to solve the value for the value of x and y using graphical method. So the equation is 2x plus y equals 6, x plus y equals 5. If you have gone through the question paper, all the questions given in the question paper, you must have observed that you have to act smart, because most of the questions are application based questions, so you have to save time, right? So today I'm going to give you a technique which will help you out to solve question from the graphical method, which will be of 3 marks in your exam quickly. All right, so let's see how to do that. So before we proceed, I'm going to tell you an equation which I have explained in my earlier videos as well. So there is an equation x upon a plus y upon b is equals 1. So this is very important, just memorize it. Whatever question comes, whatever equation you have to represent, you just have to convert that particular equation in this form. And then you are just ready with the graph, because you are going to get the point of intersection. So we have the equation 2x plus y equals 6. So let's see. 2x plus y equals 6 is my given equation. So to the right side, what do we have over here? We have 1. So in order to make this 1, what are we supposed to do? We have to divide this by 6. If we are dividing the right side by 6, then it will be unfair if we don't divide the left side by 6, isn't it? So we are going to divide this by 6 also, and we are going to divide this also by 6. So after dividing it, what are we getting? 2 3s are 6. Here it won't cancel. So we have x upon 3 plus y upon 6 is equals 1. So what is the x-intercept over here? 3. And what is the y-intercept over here? 6. It means the graph will intersect the x-axis at point 3 and y-axis at point 6. So you don't need to find so many points to represent the graph. Just simply by doing this 3 and 6 we can plot the graph. So if we look over here, what we can do is we can simply plot the graph. So from the previous equation we saw that the graph is intersecting at point 3 and 6. So let's represent those points first. So this is 3 and this is 6. Right, so I have represented these 2 points. Now let's draw the line. So for drawing the line, so here is my line, right? So this is the line which is passing through 3 and 6. It's not perfectly drawn, but we can try again. So, yeah, that is correct. So this is the line of the equation 2x plus y equals 6. So here we can write, so this is a way to write 2x plus y equals 6, and we can extend it in both the direction. Now let's solve the second equation. Can you tell me what is the second equation? The second equation is x plus y equals 5, right? So I think it is much more easier. So x plus y equals 5. Let's make the equation for that also. X plus y equals 5. So we have to make this one. So what are we going to do? We are going to divide this by 5. So 5, 5 and 5, and we got the answer, right? So what is the x-intercept? 5. What is the y-intercept? 5, right? So our graph is going to intersect at point 5. So x is equals 5 and y equals 5. Now let's draw the graph for the same. So here it passing through 5 and here also it passing through 5. Right? Yeah. It's much better this way. Right? Now just see the point of intersection of both the points, like where the graph is intersecting. That will be your answer. Now first of all, let me label this graph also, this line also. This labeling is important. So this one is x plus y equals 5. If you have seen over here, this is the scaling part. If the graph comes for 3 marks, 0.5 marks is given on the scaling. If you see the 2 blocks, here I have selected 2 blocks. You may select 1 block, right? So 2 blocks is 1 unit, 10, 11, 1 unit. So here I have done the scaling. 2 block is 1 unit for the x-axis. Similarly, for the y-axis, the 2 block is 1 unit. So here also I have done y-axis, 2 block is 1 unit. So do not forget this part. This is scaling part. This carry 0.5 marks, right? Now graphically we have to solve. So almost we have reached the solution part. If you can see, this is the point of intersection. Now see at what point is it intersecting. So it is intersecting at x equals 1 and y equals 4. We'll draw the perpendicular, and from graph we can say that x is equals 1, x is equals 1 and y is equals 4, right? So this is your solution. If you want, you can verify the equation was x plus y equals 5. This is the verification part. This you don't need to do it in the fair notebook. If you want, you can check it in the rough part, right? So put x is equals 1, y equals 4. Are you getting the same answer? 5 equals 5? Yes. So the answer is correct and the graph is correct. So children, when you are drawing the graph, make sure the pencil is sharpened. It should be pointed and it should be clean. Now homework for you is solve one question from the graph and tell me whether it will be any question from the graph and tell me whether it will be consistent or inconsistent. So I am giving you this as the homework. Figure it out and tell me about the consistency of the given equation. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.